Welcome to our channel. Activating your debit card for direct deposit is a simple process that ensures you receive your payments seamlessly. Step 1. Once you receive your debit card in the mail, locate the activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to the card. This number connects you directly to your bank's activation service. Step 2. Call the activation number and follow the automated prompts. You'll typically need to enter your card number and verify your identity using your social security number or date of birth. Step 3. Set up a secure PIN when prompted. Choose a unique 4-digit code that you'll remember but others cannot easily guess. Step 4. Contact your employer's payroll department to provide your bank account details for direct deposit setup. You'll need your bank routing number and account number, which can be found on your card or bank statement. Step 5. Complete your employer's direct deposit authorization form with accurate banking information. Double-check all numbers to avoid payment delays. Step 6. Wait for confirmation from both your bank and employer that direct deposit has been successfully established. Your first direct deposit may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.